Ready? Start. Any order for an injunction may be discharged or varied or set aside by the court on application made thereto by any party dissatisfied with such order. Stop. It is hereby ordered and decreed that the mortgaged property in the aforesaid preliminary decree mentioned or a sufficient part thereof be sold, and that for the purpose of such sale the defendant shall produce before the court or such officer as it appoints all documents in his possession or power relating to the mortgaged property. Stop. And it is hereby further ordered and decreed that the money released by such sale shall be paid into court and shall be duly applied after deduction therefrom of the expenses of the sale in payment of the amount payable to the defendant under the aforesaid preliminary decree and under any further orders that may have been passed in the suit, and in payment of any amount which the court may have adjudged due to the defendant for such costs of this suit, including the costs of this application and such costs, charges and expenses as may be payable under Rule 10, together with the subsequent interest as may be payable under Rule 11 of the first schedule to the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, and that the balance, if any, shall be paid to the plaintiff or other persons entitled to receive the same. Stop. And it is hereby further ordered and decreed that if the money released by such sale shall not be sufficient for the payment in full of the amount payable to the defendant as aforesaid, the defendant shall be at liberty, where such remedy is open to him under the terms of the mortgage and is not barred by any law for the time being in force to apply for a personal decree against the plaintiff for the amount of the balance, and that the parties are at liberty to apply to the court from time to time as they may have occasion, and on such application or otherwise the court may give such directions as it thinks fit. Stop. Provided that if in an application for temporary injunction or in any affidavit supporting such application a party has knowingly made a false or misleading statement in relation to a material particular, and the injunction was granted without giving notice to the opposite party, the court shall vacate the injunction unless for reasons to be recorded. Stop.